Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cube Coding. I'm your friend Mudassar. Today I'm going to solve the problem of leetcode, question number 3. So in this question, this tell is find the longest substring without repeating character. So you have to be uh, you have to uh, you have to find the non-repeating character string. So what is the length of the non-repeating character? So first, let's see first the question. So what is the question? So given a string, find the length of the longest substring without repeating. So you have to find the string, find the length substring without repeating character. So let's see the examples. So in the example, you can see, so that is given a string and that is the non-repeating string just like ABC. So it is a length 3. So you have to, so here you can see that is the output. So as it is, you have to do inside the program. So that will be, I will try to that problem solve with this sliding window technique. I hope you know that is what is sliding window technique. Sliding window technique, just like you create a window and inside the window, no any repeating characters. When is no any repeating character, you go and check the length. What is the length of that string? So you have to all time is when it's come to a non-repeating characters. So go to and find the length of that string. And then after when is any non-repeating characters comes inside this, so you have to go and delete from that starting starting values. Who's the come first? You have to delete till it is not a non-repeating characters not available inside the window. So I hope understood what I'm trying to say to you. So let's start the coding. So first I will be declare the map, and after that I will declare the two variable. Depend on you what I give the name of that variable. I'll give the name of start and 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 after that is what is the max length of that string. So I will be assigning this one in this variable. So now this sign is 0 because no any length of, so I just instant I just assign this 0, and after that I will open this loop. Inside this I will using the and it should iterate that string, and it is iterating till that length of that string. When is it going to become equal to, so it was it is go to it's go to left dash loop. When is less than, so it is go to inside the loop. After that I will check first has map is check that is when available inside this any repeating character, so it's go to delete. It will be delete from this your windows. So it's go to delete from the starting. So there is a map dot delete, and what is the start? Start assigned also is 0. The first one 0. It will be deleted till this not a non-repeating character not available in your window. When is a when is delete that element, so it's to go to move to set the new value inside the map. You have to set dot and just like a 1. After that, when you set, so you have to find that length, max length math dot max and max length map dot size. After that, who's the max value? Assign inside is max length. After that, you have to be increase the and value. Yes, it will be increased till until when is a nota is equal to his length of string. When is equal to, so it skip that one, that loop, and finally you will be print the max length. So I hope understood. Let's see it is running or not. You can see it is running without any difficulties. And let's see, I'm trying to again make understand my flow of code. So you can see first uh, declare the map. Map is just like a this container you can push inside this values without repeating character. When is any repeating characters come, you go to delete. So I just declared the two values, a start variable, start and end. And I'm using for the iterating from the last to end. And start I will use a particular delete. Who's the value with duplicate? Here repeating, so it's going to delete from the starting. Because when is the delete the duplicate value in a particular window, so then after is filled new values inside this map. So last one is just like this max length is to contain that max length of that string. What is the length of max length of string? Is content. So let's start the inside this. So inside this you can see map.has is checked. When is any elements available who's already has a map, so it's go to delete. Which will be deleted? It will be deleted from the starting because it's assigned as 0. So 0 first element go delete. See again is available. Yes, again is available. Go to delete and start again. Okay. But till you can see and is not increasing because and is a point that position. When is a C, it is a delete and not available inside the duplicate a repeating character. Just go and set the values. It will assign this once. So it's as I said, it occurs the once time and check that length of the values, length of this string. So it's going to assign the max length inside this, and then after and plus plus. It is increased it till that it is not reach the length of that string, and is as it is doing is looping. It will be when it is that point. Finally, what is the length of that string is go to print. Let's see it is a submitting or not. So it is submitting now without any difficulties. I hope understood my code. If you have any problem, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be assigned to you and give you other way to how can you how can you solve that problem. So thank you watching my videos. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.